Made it different from other storms was the force that it had, especially in the sea. With all the storm surges and everything else, like I remember a news anchor saying, this thing might wipe the Jersey Shore off the map. And then we all saw the images. We all saw Seaside Heights going underwater, all the rides and things, and Atlantic City losing the boardwalk. So Sandy, even though it was a Category 1, it is not the strongest category. It was strong because of the fact that we saw the power of the winds and the power of the sea come in. And you know, comparing it to Katrina, Katrina was a much stronger category. But this one, first off, a hurricane this big had never made it to the Northeast in like years. The other thing was that, you know, the winds were strong. And it was not predicted to bring much rain. It was predicted to be a windstorm. Cities like New York lost power because, of course, the high rises, the crane that was dangling during the whole week because of the wind gusts reaching 100 miles per hour in that area. So you got all the waves coming in, especially from the ocean and from the Hudson River in the case of Lower Manhattan. Those storm surges affected the area. The wind pushed the water from the rivers and the oceans into the cities. That's why we are seeing the situation right now going in New York, and that's why we are seeing what happened in Jersey Shore, because the sea rose, and it rose to levels that, frankly, no one seen before on the East Coast. Because, I mean, you never know what's going to happen. Thank God we didn't have like a serious situation here upstate. But, you know, it was said that it was going to be much worse. The winds were going to be a little bit much worse. So they made the right decision by, you know, giving us the day off.